In this video, I'm going to show you how to create an affiliate quiz. And what I mean by that is that a quiz that asks someone questions and then, based on those answers, directs them to an offer that's right for them. Now, these are neat because it means you don't have to target traffic as specifically. In this case, we're going to build one in the photography niche, and it'll mean we wouldn't have to target specific sub-niches with our traffic. We can just target photography and let the quiz sort people out. That's a lot easier and a lot more scalable. So I've got a few questions here, so let's get the quiz set up. So first we'll click New Quiz. Then we'll give it a title. This is a general quiz, so this setting's fine. And now we'll click Create from Scratch. Now we'll pick a template. And we're not going to capture leads with this one. You can if you want, but with this quiz, we're not after leads, we're after them buying something, so we want as many people as possible to see our sales pages. So next is Outcomes. We're going to be promoting two different cameras, and this isn't something we're going to do with Quizitri's outcome pages. Because we want something that sells the product a bit more, we've made our own review pages. We've done this using Quizitri, but obviously you can use whatever page builder you like best. So here's an example of the page I made. On this page we've got our heading. So we're saying like we recommend this camera, and then we've got an image of it, a bit of social proof. Then we've got sections here about the camera, the specifications, and why we think it's right for them. And you see, with this, we can tailor this copy directly to what their answers were. So we can say, like, if they've said they're not looking for something too serious, they just want a point and click, we can explain exactly why this camera is good for that. And then at the bottom, we've got our buy link. Now in this example, we're connecting it to Amazon with our affiliate link, but obviously you could send it anywhere. Like, you could even use this as a lead into your own e-com store if you chose. So in Quizitri, we give the outcome a name. I'm going to use the name of the camera. Set it to redirect and then add in our link. And we'll do that for the other one as well. So next, the start page. First we switch it on, then we'll add a title, a description, and a call to action. Then we add our questions. So click the button up here to add the questions to the quiz. Now for each question, we'll add in our question text, and then add the answers. Click the Add Answer button to put a new answer on the list, and then you can fill in the text. For each answer, set which outcome it should add a point for. Whichever outcome has had most points after someone's answered every question is the one they'll be taken to. So we'll do that again for every question. And finally publish by clicking Publish on the left and then again up here. We can then see our quiz in action by clicking Copy to Clipboard and pasting the link into a new browser window.